Neuropsychology is a bridge between the worlds of neuroscience and psychology. It's the study of how our brain function relates to our behaviors, emotions, and thoughts. Think of it as decoding the language of the brain to understand our actions. In essence, then, neuropsychology is the study of how the brain affects behavior. It explores the complex relationship between our thoughts, emotions, and actions, and the physical structures and processes that underlie them. By understanding the biological basis of behavior, neuropsychology can help us better understand and treat a wide range of conditions, from traumatic brain injury to mental illness. This field is constantly evolving as new research and technologies emerge, making it an exciting and dynamic area of study. Let's first talk about the central nervous system, which includes the brain. The brain is a complex organ that controls our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. It is made up of many different parts, each with its own unique function. For instance, the prefrontal cortex is responsible for executive decision-making and planning, while the amygdala plays a key role in processing emotions such as fear and anxiety. Different parts of the brain work together to produce our behaviors and experiences. When we lay eyes on a tempting slice of cake, our visual cortex interprets the sight, and simultaneously, our brain's reward center secretes dopamine, a chemical messenger linked to pleasure. This interplay of visual perception and chemical response can drive us to indulge in the cake, regardless of its nutritional implications. Similarly, this intricate dance between sensory stimuli and dopamine release provides foundational insights into understanding more complex behaviors, such as addiction. Neurons are the basic building blocks of the nervous system. They are specialized cells that transmit information through electrical and chemical signals. Neurons have three main parts: the cell body, dendrites, and axons. The cell body contains the nucleus and other organelles, while the dendrites receive signals from other neurons. The axon carries signals away from the cell body and towards other neurons or muscle cells. Neurotransmitters are vital chemicals that facilitate communication within our nervous system, acting as messengers that transmit signals between neurons. When one neuron wants to communicate with another, it releases neurotransmitters from small pockets known as vesicles located in its axon terminals. These neurotransmitters then travel across the synapse, which is a tiny gap between neurons. Upon reaching the other side, they bind to specialized receptors situated on the dendrites of the receiving neuron. Depending on the neurotransmitter and its corresponding receptor, the result can either stimulate the receiving neuron to fire its own signal or inhibit it from doing so. This intricate process allows for the vast and complex network of communication that underlies every thought, feeling, and action. There's an incredible diversity of neurotransmitters, and each plays a unique role in regulating various physiological processes. For instance, dopamine is often associated with pleasure, reward, and motivation. It plays a significant role in our drive to seek out pleasurable experiences and is heavily implicated in conditions like addiction and Parkinson's disease. Serotonin has a broad range of functions, but it's most commonly associated with mood regulation. Imbalances in serotonin levels are believed to contribute to mood disorders such as depression. Acetylcholine is pivotal for both the peripheral and central nervous systems. It's crucial for muscle contractions and also plays a vital role in learning and memory. Malfunctions in the acetylcholine system can contribute to conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Understanding neurotransmitters and their respective roles offers profound insights into the mechanisms underlying various neurological and psychological conditions. This knowledge has been pivotal in the development of drugs, such as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, or SSRIs, which target conditions like depression. It continues to guide research into potential treatments and interventions for numerous disorders.